I'm here with a little video on my air compressor. I have all my shutoff valves here. My there's my main shutoff, alright? And when you're hooking up a big compressor like this, you need a rubber hose to go before your pipes, because this is going to shake. So you don't want your whole system, so you need a rubber hose to go between your pipes. I was leaking coming out of here. I thought it was my Hyper Tough. This is just a Walmart regulator that works pretty good actually, but my copper little fitting that I have actually cracked. So I don't know if it just cracked over the winter or cracked because I hit it or whatever, but it cracked with the thread inside of the T. Okay, it cracked with the thread inside of the T. So you see it cracked off right there, and that's where my leak was coming from. So people say, oh no, how am I gonna get that out? Oh no, it's copper. Copper is gonna bend. Copper is really easy to work with. So let's check this out, man. Check this out, man. So basically right here, I have a flathead screwdriver that I'm getting stuck into this, and look how easy that piece of copper just came out right there. Pretty awesome, huh? Well, I just hit a screwdriver, and basically I didn't even where the sun was at, and with the hit the screwdriver, all I did was screwed it just back out, just that easy. So I always use plumber's putty or pipe dope or whatever, but I got really keen on this pipe tape right here, Monster PTF3 thread. I think this has been awesome. So I got to get this back together because I got the tire machines, and I have a family member with a leak or flat tire. So we're gonna see if we can fix that later. All right, talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.